Today we're gonna learn the LinkedIn app, how to apply for the jobs on the LinkedIn. First, we will click on the LinkedIn option of the jobs and then type about the fields you want to search about your job. If you have a graphic design in Pakistan, we have a multiple jobs here. You can easily apply for the jobs through only a 2 to 4 clicks. Only 2 to 4 clicks you need to apply on the LinkedIn app. It's very easy to use, and there is a number of responses you come when you apply minimum 10 to 15 jobs every day. You will definitely get your job, and this way we easily apply through the LinkedIn app. First you have your own CV, then you will easily apply on the LinkedIn app. Look at this, we have a multiple option: jobs, post, companies, schools, groups, events. It's up to you. You want to choose whether you want your jobs on the post or companies, schools, etc. And here we go for the post, and these jobs are open for post. We have a multiple post, and here we go for the schools. And we can also search another, like if you are a teacher and you want a teaching job in any schools, you can also apply for it on the LinkedIn jobs option. LinkedIn is the most popular platform for the jobs recruiting. All over the world, people use the LinkedIn app to hire employees all across the world. So you can easily apply on the LinkedIn app. If there is any question, you can ask me on the comments. You can also change your address: Pakistan, America, US, UK, whether you are in India or Bangladesh. It's up to you. You can easily apply through it. Here is, we go for the WordPress. If you are a WordPress developer, you can easily get a job. If you are at a beginner stage, or if you want an internship, or you have a senior WordPress developer, you can easily get a job through a LinkedIn app. I can also got a very good response from this app. You can also try for your best luck. Here we can choose our experience level, internship, entry level, whether you want to select, and also a date of post it. So this is all over filters. You can easily uh, track your jobs recruitment centers through using these filters. And the best feature of LinkedIn app, you can easily apply through the LinkedIn. You only need a one CV. If you have a resume, a beautiful resume, then you can easily apply on the LinkedIn app through a 2 to 4 clicks. Only 2 clicks or 4 clicks you need to apply, and your CV is once you upload your CV, it will save on the LinkedIn app, and you can easily use for other jobs and other multiple jobs on the LinkedIn app. And thank you, please subscribe my channel and like it also.